They move like ghosts through the night. You won't hear their wings, but they're watching you. Owls are born hunters, equipped with ultra-soft feathers that silence every flap of their wings. While you sleep, they can hear a mouse's heartbeat under layers of snow. Their necks, they twist 270 degrees, almost a full circle, thanks to extra neck bones and hidden blood vessels that prevent them from passing out. Their eyes aren't eyeballs like ours, they're long tubes locked in place. That's why they turn their heads instead of their eyes. And when they stare, their vision is 8 times sharper than yours. So next time you hear nothing in the dark, maybe it's because something is hunting silently. Creepy, right?